So turning on invisibility mode in Discord is actually very simple, guys. As you guys can see on the top right hand side right here, I am currently online, and anyone else that viewed my account would see that I am online. So to put myself into invisible mode, all you guys need to do is come down to the bottom left hand side right here, to your username, left click it, and then inside of here you want to hover over to the green online status, and then it'll pop up a little menu, and then inside of this little menu you guys want to scroll down to invisible, and then once you guys click it, you're gonna be in invisible mode, as you guys can see on the top right hand side here, and this allows you to basically not appear online to any of your friends or just other people that look at your account. And yeah, if you guys want to turn that back off, just click on your name again, and then go to online mode. Bam, you're back online. That's pretty much it for today's tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed and have a great rest of your day. Peace out.